Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video I will show you how to install Facebook on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! First, you want to simply click your Play Store. Of course, if you're not logged in into a Google account, you need to log into your Google account, otherwise you won't be able to do it. Then you want to head into search and simply type in Facebook. Of course, you probably want to avoid clicking anything that is in the sponsored field, because usually it's not the thing you're actually searching for. As you can see in our case, it's ChatGPT, which we don't want to. And when you're installing Facebook, you want to make sure that this is the proper Facebook from the Meta Platforms Inc. Otherwise, everything else is probably going to be different. I would say that you probably want to look at the icon, but if this video is like now 5 years old or something, then there is a very high chance that the icon is slightly different. But yeah, all you want to do is just hit install. We can also enable auto open when app is ready, but I have a pretty good internet connection, so as you can see it's installing pretty quickly. And now we can simply hit open, and we can just log in and start Facebooking, start messaging our friends and family, stalking their photos and all of that. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.